In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create playlist on Spotify. This is a quick, straightforward process, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without pausing every few seconds. First, open Spotify. You can do this in the desktop app or right in your browser using the web player. Either option works the same for what we're doing today. Make sure you're signed in to your own account so the playlist saves to your library. If you're on a shared computer or a public device, double-check that the profile shown is yours before continuing. Keeping your login details private is important, and you never need to share them to complete this task. Once Spotify is open and you're logged in, turn your attention to the left side of the screen. That's the main navigation area. You'll usually see familiar items like Home, Search, and your library listed there. This sidebar is your hub for everything you organize, including playlists. If your window is a bit narrow, the sidebar may show smaller icons instead of full labels. That's normal, and it still points to the same places you need. Now, look for the button that lets you start a brand new list. Depending on your view, it will say Create Playlist or show as a +new playlist button. You'll find it in or near your library on the left. When you select it, Spotify instantly makes a new, empty playlist for you and adds it to your library. You'll see it appear in the list of your playlists, and a new page will open where the playlist lives. At this point, you've successfully created a playlist. Spotify usually gives it a placeholder name and a blank cover by default. From here, you can personalize it at your own pace. Give it a name that matches its vibe, adjust the details, and organize it however you like. The important thing is that the playlist now exists in your account, ready for you to build out over time. If you don't see the Create Playlist or +new playlist option, make sure you're viewing the main Spotify screen rather than a specific album or artist page, and confirm you're signed in to the correct account. A quick refresh of the app or browser can also help if the interface looks incomplete. And that's all there is to it. Open Spotify and log in, glance over to the left sidebar, and select Create Playlist. Simple, fast, and you're ready to make the perfect soundtrack for your day.